I remember the first time I started a YouTube channel, it was 3 years back. I didn't know much about YouTube. I didn't know how to edit it. I didn't know how to make a video. I didn't know to do anything regarding YouTube. I remember the first video I posted, it was a short. Yes, it was a short. Aim for this channel was to encourage people that we are enough, we are capable of doing things that we tell ourselves that we cannot do. So I started posting and learning through the process, and here we are, 2026, and I'm still learning, practicing, doing my best as much as I can. I have 236 subscribers. Yes, you heard me right. And I really thank you guys so much for being part of my family. A family is not about blood connection. It's about love and support that you guys keep showing me through my videos. And I really thank you so much for that. I filmed this video today to tell you, my friend, that do not quit. If you're about to quitting a YouTube, do not quit. Please look at me now. It's 3 years since I started and I still didn't get 1,000 subscribers. Yes, this is a marathon. Do not quit. Do not quit until you reach the finishing line. Do not quit. Please do not quit by anyhow. Do not. Always remember why you started. Keep that in mind. Always remember why you started. Maybe you started last year. Maybe you started last month or a couple of days ago. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. As long as you are in this platform, do not quit. Keep making content that are valuable. And people that are real, people will find you regardless what it is. Again, thank you so much, my subscribers. You mean a lot to me. You are the one that keeps me doing what I'm doing right now, and I won't let you down. And thank you for being in me, because I believe in my mind like you guys saw something good in me, something valuable in me that keep you being my family. And as I said, I don't get you, I don't take you for granted. I take you as my family because you support me regardless. Okay, this is August 2026. I got only 4 months left. Yes, 4 months left before end of this year to start 2027. And YouTube recently pronounced that in 2027 they will double the monetized hours. Like it will be 80,000 hours. Yes, now that is the work to do. In my mind, I always tell myself that it only takes one video to go viral that will bring you all subscribers you want. It will give you all the hours that needed to be monetized. It takes only one video. Only one video, and I'm sure that video it will be, and maybe this one or maybe that another one that I'll post, I don't know, but it takes only one video for your channel to be monetized, and eventually all your videos will be in a row. Like all your videos will be shown to other people, to all the people. So please support me, and I will keep bringing you guys my valuable content to you regarding our daily life that we live. Yes, our daily normal life. I won't post anything that is not me. I post things that you and I live daily. As I said, thank you so much for being my family. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, share, commenting, anything you do. Thank you so much by watching this video till this end. Hope you find something good. And this is a road to 1 subscriber. This is the road to 1 subscriber before the end of 2026. And I hope you will join me through this marathon. Thank you so much.